Hello everybody, it's me, the Effect Master Luke, and once again I messed up. I recorded a whole episode of this and it freaking failed. So today, it didn't record the audio. So today I'm going to be showing you RPG Maker VX Ace. So the first thing you want to do is create a new project. It should ask you anytime you open it, or just press on that little new button right here. And give it a name. I'm going to name it Recording. Then just hit OK. Basically, before you do anything, if your screen looks like this, follow this step. The step is easy. What you want to do is close down your RPG Maker VX Ace. Go and download the file I'm going to show you. It's named Data. It's like a folder. Okay, just copy that folder. You need to copy it. So it's copied. Then go to the place where your RPG Maker game is saved. In my case, it's directly and by default, it's in your Documents, RPG Maker VX Ace, and then the name of your game. So you have this one, which is named Recording, and you just want to paste the data folder. You want to replace it, okay? Just hit this, copy and replace. Do it for all files. Once it's refreshed and everything, double click this little game file that says Application. And you should say up to project 1, like that. Done. You did it. So what you want to do now is open back your RPG Maker VX Ace, and I'll show you everything there. So this is how your screen should look like now. As you can see, only one square and everything, and if you basically play it, it should look like this. If you're getting yet that Japanese version, then you messed up somewhere, or you didn't copy all the files. So, how to use it? I'm going to be covering only 3 topics in this video. Title screen, character creation, and basic map creation. Not talking about anything like doors and stuff or anything. Those 3 basic things. So, let's get right into it. Okay, first thing, we're going to create our own title screen. To do that, you have a little button right here which says Database. Press it to open the database. Once inside, go to the System tab near the end and go to all the way to bottom right, which says Plain and Forest Graphic for the title screen. See, right there. Hit on these little 3 dots and it should pop up with this. Press any single one you want, and here you can choose none for those little things that are around. It's like a frame. And let's choose, I don't know, these 2 swords. Let's choose those for this video. Press OK. That's the title screen. You did it. Now let's go over character creation. So, to go to create your character, click on this little button. Basically, choose his face and everything in this. Basically, it's a basic thing where you choose stuff. So let's just say this ugly man is our character. You want to press on this little export face graphic. Sorry for my brother, he's retarded. So export face graphic. Choose a name. Whatever. Just choose a name for both of those. Okay? Now go back into your database into actors. Okay? Now you should have 10 basic actors. You want to hit down here, change maximum amount. And change it to whatever you want. I'm just going to do double. 20. It should add 10 more numbers up to 20. See? Right here. From 11 to 20. Because it already had 0 to 10. You want to click on this little button on one of those and it should say nothing. See? Give it a name. This is your character name. Choose anything. I'm going to choose Spellblade here. Import your graphics. And that's it. You created your character. Now, he doesn't look like he's a character, but let me just pause the video and explain you how to do that. To create a character that is right here and that you use, you want to click on this little button that says Database. Once again, go into System, and here it should say Eric. Actors, Eric. Double click that and choose your one. So, there we go. And I'm just going to close it. You basically did it. Here he is. Let's go over how to create a basic map. To create a basic map, you just need to have this little thing. You have 3 modes: map, event, and region. If you hit event, you get those squares. If you hit region, you just get random shit. And if you click on map, you get those tile sets. So what you want to do is right click this little thing that says map 001 and hit map properties. Now here you want to change the map. I'm just going to change the name and the display name to anything. Now this tile set button, you want to set it to exterior if you're building outside. If you're building an inside of a house, hit on interior. If you're building a dungeon, hit a dungeon. And if you're building just a random field, which is those simple ones, hit on field. But I'm gonna go with exterior. Hit OK, and it should change to something. Now choose whatever you want. I'm choosing this little water texture and just drag it across. And as you can see, I have a sphere right here. I want to choose a square and create a sea. Right here, you can create squares, ellipses, you can fill stuff, you can shadow, and you can use normal pencil. So now I'm going to create a sphere or ellipse with normal grass, and this is our basic map. So yeah, and if you want already pre-made maps, you can just right click and go load sample map. And you have loads of those where you can choose from. You just choose the one and hit OK, and it's going to load underneath, but I don't want that one. Okay, so that's basically it. I'm going to show you only one more thing. So let's just say I'm going to build a house right here. Okay, this is a house. And what I'm going to do is click on this little roof and add a roof to it. And I'm going to click on this little hole and add a hole right here. And basically, that's the only thing I'm going to do. This is how your game should look like. And if you hit on this little play button and hit to save the changes, it should look like this. Choose new game. And basically, here we are. We can't do anything. We can just move around this small island. So this is the first tutorial. I'm going to be posting the next one the same day that this one comes out. And in that one, I'm going to be covering how to transfer a player from map to map and basically some basic events. So I hope you enjoyed.